Okay guys, so this is my project number 4. It's basically trying to do like a tractor trailer because so my project number 3 right here. Alright, I gotta make a video of this one, man, but this one runs nice and everything. um so what I wanted to do, kind of like a tractor trailer, to make a trailer to haul this, just cause I like, why not? So this is gonna be in a trailer, some like that. Alright, this picture. Alright, and then over here is gonna be the tractor. Obviously, I did a double wishbone, so that it'll have one tire here, another one here, and obviously on the other side tomorrow, right? And um, and then I'll put the fifth wheel. Um, just Google what the fifth wheel is on the truck. Y'all guys will see. So fifth wheel somewhere over here, just a little bit forward, right here, um, just so that the vehicle won't buckle to the back like that on the wheelie. Um, but yeah, so I just finished just mounting the front piece right here. Okay, let's turn around like there. All right. It's tricky to mount it, but I got it right. Um, so that's how it looks from the rear. This is the mounting bracket for the V1, so like the upper lower control arm. All right, this obviously is to the top platform, bottom platform over here, and then the disk case, I just did it open because I just want to say PLA, and it'll look cool. Let me see, hold on, like that. One more, you got two. Anyway, there it is. Trying to keep it focused. See the diff? One is facing upward, the other one is downward. That is because to make them rotate at the same direction. So check that out. So they both move forward. Alright, so that's that. This right here, let me see if I can show it. Alright. Okay. This part right here, in between the main spur gear and then that gear right there on my nail, in there, I had a DIY it. I should have taken a picture of it, but I'm gonna see if I can make it, if I could draw it and show y'all guys how I did it. It's not gonna show, man. But anyway. And then on this side, this is a 5mm stainless steel rod. It fits flush with the bearing over here. It has two bearings. That one, and then there's one just right behind that, just a little bit offset to the back over here. Reason is because that right there, it's gonna keep the main spur gear straight, so it won't wobble like that. It will stay put in its place and it won't fall off. Okay. But yeah, what you guys think? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Please comment down in the section. I like to have some comments. Everybody asks me for like, oh, can I get your STL and whatever, blah blah blah. I could, but you gotta DIY this really hard. I just gotta measure everything to make it fit properly before I even hand it out, right? And we'll see. Over here, let me show you the front platform. What's the ESC? Okay. So that goes fitting in like that. All right. It's gonna have, the goal is to have two motors. One, the other one I'm buying it on Friday. I get paid Friday, so I'm buying two motors. The battery, it's gonna go is gonna go right here like that. So this battery, it'll power the one on the right side here, and then the other battery, it'll power the one on the left side. Now I'm gonna make a wiring system just to keep them separate. I'll come up with a diagram. So it'll have this ESC for that motor. The other one, when I order it, it's gonna go over here. That whole it's all measured. Come on, camera. And then the board, you know, I could use like a 3-channel, those radios that you sell on Amazon, stuff like that, but I like to do Arduino style. Okay, this is how I do my electronics. The reason I'm using this board is because this is a tractor. I wanted to have a lot of utilities that I like to control. But yeah, this is gonna get mounted just like that, right there. It's gonna mount right there, and then yeah, it's gonna mount right there. All right, and then the front suspension is gonna be running this area right here, front wheel. All right, so it's gonna look something like this. All right, here the area right there, that space is where I'm gonna put my electronics, the wiring. Here is it's a mount. That's where the Velcro is gonna come around through the back, and then all the way through the hole on the bottom. Is gonna go through the bottom all the way around to the bottom of the battery. It's gonna wrap the battery over, so it'll keep it tight against that wall right there. All right, and the same on the other side. And then these 2 holes is where a bridge, I already printed it. It's gonna go over the ESC. That's where the board is gonna sit on. Alright. Alright, so that's basically it. I hope you guys like it. Again, subscribe, like button, comment down in the section please. I want to read your thoughts and or your ideas too, or any suggestions. Hold on, I want to show you this other car. I know y'all seen it. Y'all guys want to see it again? Here it is. Okay, the battery on this one goes right here. Let me get this shit off. But just like that. That's where it goes. Oh, one more thing. This switch right here, I'm gonna use 2 on the other one. One is to say I don't have no load on it, so I will run with just 1 motor. If I add a load on it, I'm use the 2 motors just to keep the system separate. That way I don't overload the ESC and it'll burn out. So that's the whole idea. Alright. That's the Uno NRF. Just yeah, I guess with 1.9. Alright. See you later. Peace.